I've realised recently I've been very guilty of neglect. And all the time I've had this lawnmower, I've never once sharpened the blades. As you can see, that is the cutting edge. And it's the same sorry story on the other edge. I'm at absolutely no risk of cutting my finger as the blades are incredibly blunt. So it got me wondering, could we do a comparative test just to see the benefit of cutting our lawn with a sharpened blade? Well, that's the baseline for the test established. Next we'll sharpen the blade and repeat the test. Well, as you can see, or as I can see, the blade is pretty even in this. There's a little, you might not be able to see it on camera, but I know it's running truly. So, I've tried a few sockets on this and they've all slipped, so I've resorted to using the trusty mole grips. It's anti-clockwise thread. Be sure to remember that, or you will struggle. So it looks like the only thing I need to do is sharpen this blade. I don't need to attempt to true it in any way, so that's great. It's stiff. Been a few years since it last was removed, no doubt. I've had this mower for at least 10. So we've now got our blade in a vise. Keep your blade nice and level in the vise. Get your trusty flat file. Make nice and even strokes. All in the same direction. As you can see, we're making progress, or you may not, but never mind, because we can speed this process up using a bench grinder, or we can speed it up using an angle grinder. I may do that. Get one side sharp, and then take it out the vise, rotate, and do the other side. Okay, we've sharpened our blade and it will just about cut paper. There are a few nicks in it, but I'm not too worried. We can always get them the next time. The next stage is balancing. I'm going to give it a bit of a clean with a wire brush. As long as I clean it evenly, this balancing should be something like even. Get the biggest lumps of grass off it. Balancing. Now I've got a bit of a problem with this one. The bolt is pretty much through it. I've had a go at removing it. Decided it's more trouble than what it's worth, as I've found a good method of balancing it with the bolt in situ. So here we have a deep socket. I'm going to gently put this in the vise. Don't want to over tighten it and damage it. Then we put the blade in here, hold it level, voila, stays where it is. Right, next stage, on to the refit. So we've got his blade all ready for the refit. It's hard going. bother cleaning it yet, probably do that off camera. Just be careful as you do this, I should have worn gloves. There we go, tight enough. As you may be able to see, I've emptied the grass box in anticipation of collecting some grass. So I've made exactly 2 passes of the lawn with a dull blade and 2 passes of the lawn with the sharpened blade. Now I'm going to show you the grass box and you will see the result. I never have much grass on my lawn because it's only tiny. And you can see we've cut some grass. So I conclude it definitely pays to sharpen your lawn blade. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe for more videos.